Hi everyone. So in this video we will talk about the last principle of animation, which is appeal. So as you can see, it is the last principle of animation. So why it is kept at the last from all the 12 principles? Because it has some specific importance. It is like the cherry on the top. You cannot put the cherry at the bottom or in between. It has to be on the top to get that appeal of the animation or of the character, whatever it is. Appeal is about how you present your ideas, emotions or concepts to the audience. So it is all about presentation of the scene or animation or the pose. This principle is quite different from all the other principles. Like all the other principles have a specific definition. Like you can explain those principles pointing out at a specific example that this is what the principle is, this is what it means. By looking at any images or videos, you can explain accurately that what the principle is. But in terms of this principle, which is appeal, it is subjective. So something which is appealing to me cannot or might not be appealing to somebody else. So it is all subjective. Again, appeal does not mean that the character should look cute or beautiful like that. Even a villain can be appealing. It is just about connecting the people with the character. The character should have a charismatic appearance, maybe the pose or maybe the animation, whatever it is. Even the background characters, the crowd characters can be appealing. So there has to be some charismatic appearance, the characteristics. If I give you an example of the movie Venom, you have seen Venom. So how appealing that character is. You get connected to the character when you look at the movie or look at the scene, the character in the scene. If I give you an example from the real world, a very basic example, like we all like to have sweet dishes. We all love sweets. So if I talk about gajar ka halwa, so if I am presenting gajar ka halwa in two different ways, one which is just the gajar ka halwa and in the other plate with the toppings of dry fruits. So which one would you like to taste it first? Obviously with the toppings. So that's what appealing is. That is more appealing to us. That is more catchy to us. We are getting connected to that thing. If I talk about ball animation, so in real life we actually don't see the squash and stretch of the ball. It is very minute. But in animation we exaggerate the action to look it more convenient to the audience. That can be an example of appeal. So that is more appealing. We exaggerate the expressions or the actions to look more appealing. That is what appeal is, getting connected to the audience. It should look charismatic. Again, it is not specified with the hero. It like only the hero. The villains can be appealing. Everything should be appealing actually. That's what brings the shot more live. That's what brings the animation more live. Again, if I give you a very common example, you might have seen if you watch animated movies or cartoons, you might have seen this, that if any comedy scene comes or suppose when the light hits, a cartoon character just catches some electricity wire. So then what happens? You see all those animation created around, the character gets stiff at one place. Does it happen actually in the real life? No, but that is done in the animation to look more appealing, to get connected to the audience, so that audience feel that appealing. That is what appeal is. It is subjective, but everything, all the principles of animation and something extra, that is what appeal is. I hope you have understood this principle or got an idea about this principle. So if you like the video, do share among your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless.